Hello everyone, thank you so much for accessing this video. This video is all about why should we believe on astrology. So that's the question I keep getting from the people who don't believe on astrology. So let me tell you first of all what is astrology. Astrology is nothing but a Vedic calculations depending upon the planetary alignment based upon your date of birth, time of birth, and the place of birth. Depending upon these three factors, and also based on the Vedic calculations, which was designed by our Vedic scholars such as Sage Parashara, Sage Bhrigu, who are authors of Vedic astrology, and will be preparing your birth chart. And based on that birth chart, the planetary alignment in your birth chart talks about different events, talks about your personalities, the kind of decisions that you take, and whether you'll be become successful in those decisions, whether you can able to sustain your relationship for a longer period of time, whether business partnerships will be feasible for you, what kind of business is feasible for you, what kind of career is feasible for you, and will you face any kind of poverty or debts or enemies during your journey in terms of your relationships or in the family environment. So most of all the things like real estate matters, and also your relationship with siblings, and also your financial matters, and also your yoga to travel to abroad countries, all can be revealed from the astrology. All right. And whether we have to really believe on astrology, it depends on person to person, because whenever you meet any astrologer, you feel very what you say satisfied. You feel very satisfied when you meet any astrologer, because he'll be able to tell you, he will be able to convince you with the kind of by giving certain dates by through which your activities will take place, right? And you'll be also feeling very satisfied and secured enough when you meet any astrologer, because an expert astrologer can able to predict the events that gonna be happening in your future. All right. And also it talks about your past life karmas as well. In the past life, what kind of deeds that you have performed and why you are suffering in this life can also be checked from your birth chart. Okay. So, and also why should we believe on astrology? Because astrology will be able to help you to make most important and successful decisions. It will also talks about different activities. It talks about your investments. It talks about your relationships, whether you can able to make money through investments, short term investments or long term investments, what kind of business that you take up, whether you can able to make money after your marriage. All those things can be able to check from your own birth chart. All right. And also let me tell you, you need to contact an expert astrologer who can able to help you with all sorts of your doubts, because not many astrologers will be having a time enough to check thoroughly about about the events, right? There is difference between the general astrology and the Vedic astrology. General astrology is based upon whatever you see in the newspapers, articles, and all that. Let's say general astrology based upon your sun sign or moon sign, they'll be giving some characteristics. Vedic astrology is nothing but it talks about the predictions are very much specific to your individuality. Okay, predictions are very much specific to your individuality. By knowing your date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth, you can able to prepare a birth chart, and from there we can able to provide the astrological analysis. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video, and do believe Vedic astrology. Astrology is very much true. Let me tell you one thing: astrologers are wrong, but astrology is never wrong. Okay. If you understood this quote, please write it down in your diary. Astrologers are wrong, but astrology is never wrong. That means you need to go to the specific astrologer who can able to help you, who is knowledgeable in all systems of Vedic astrology. The clients who come for the consultation because they believe on my prediction, and also have a success track record of testimonials from various clients across the globe. So you are in the safe hands. So do book for astrological consultation. The link is mentioned in the description section. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with a complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. All right. So stay tuned and bye for now, and I'll see you in the consultation.